What's up, people? Today I'm gonna show you how to implement course module in your Express server. So I think this is a big cause of problems with backend development, and I'm working on really big project, and I'm making microservices because monolith servers is not scalable and microservices is just way better. So first what you need to do is import course. So I'm gonna import course from course, and another thing that you need to do is I'm using OOP TypeScript, so you may have it different, but the usage is, I think, pretty same, and the only thing that is different is that I'm using this app and you will have just app. So I'm gonna type this app.use. You will probably have just app.use, and here I'm gonna type course, make this and this, and now you can type origin like this. And if you want this to be accessible from every IP address or domain, you can just type star. But if you want to allow just some IP addresses or just some domains, you can just type an array and type here like https://example.com. and if you want to add another IP address or domain or whatever you want, you can just add it like this. I'm gonna add localhost with port like 5173. And if you want more IP addresses or domains, you can just pass it like this and pass how many domains or IP addresses you want. Another thing that you probably gonna need is credentials, and in credentials you will type true, because sometimes you need to get cookies from your frontend server or another microservice or your backend server communicate with. So just leave this on true.